Hi, to share Wi-Fi password on your OnePlus Nord 3, as a first step, open Settings. Here choose the Wi-Fi tab and make sure that you are currently connected to the Wi-Fi network you want to share with. So in my case, it is set up and solved, and we can see the status connected. Now we just need to tap this info icon and we can see the share option. So simply select it and now you can see not only the password for the network but the QR code and the option for quick share, which works something similar to the airdrop in the iPhones. So just activate quick share on the other device, it should be activated as well, and you'll be able to share this network. So for now, let me just take my other device and simply scan this QR code. Here I'm gonna just press this button to join this network, and now let's check whether we joined or not. And yes, we just connected to the Wi-Fi as in this phone. So that's it, how it works, and I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.